Hello and welcome back to our channel, How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Canara Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and the default search engine. Then search Canara Bank Login. Then go to Login or go to canarabank.com/admin/account/login. Then enter your username, then enter your password, then enter CAPTCHA, then click sign in. Then you should be able to access Canara Bank account. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to forgot password. And if you have forgot your username, you can get help by clicking to forgot username. And if you want to make login easier for next time, click to remember me. But I do not recommend you doing it on a public computer or a shared device. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.